It's Monday morning, and an e-commerce company's primary churn prediction model is failing. Yesterday, it was operating at 85% accuracy. Today, in live production, it has plummeted to 60%. In this case, the algorithm itself remains sound. The failure stems from the architecture connecting the model to its data. When it changes, the model encounters unfamiliar data values and generates inaccurate predictions. This reveals a vulnerability in how machine learning is operationalized. A predictive model is only as robust as the consistency of its underlying data pipelines. To isolate the root cause, we have to examine a specific data point required by the model, such as average customer spend. Offline training logic calculates this feature historically. Data scientists divide total customer spend by a fixed 30-day window. In production, engineers rewrite the feature for real-time systems, dividing the sum by transaction count. The exact same customer input yields two entirely different numbers. When different teams maintain separate data pipelines, model drift becomes mathematically inevitable. The solution is a feature store. This architecture centralizes the logical definitions of every feature while splitting the physical storage. Defeating skew requires infrastructure that locks the feature logic in place before data ever reaches the storage layer. We can achieve this by building a 7-layer pipeline designed to guarantee logical consistency from raw ingestion to live model inference. Layer 1 handles raw data sources. The system ingests messy, high-latency information from Postgres databases, Kafka event streams, and S3 buckets. In Layer 2, feature engineering, these raw streams are transformed into the structured features the model requires. This transformation operates at 2 speeds. Batch features are computed once daily, while real-time features are generated per user request. To prevent logic drift, the platform mandates that both batch and real-time computations reference the exact same underlying SQL code. Locking the SQL logic is the first step, but the storage layers must also support both high-throughput history and low-latency retrieval simultaneously. Layer 3 is the dual-layer feature store. Data splits into 2 parallel tracks. The offline store acts as a data warehouse, storing years of historical data for model training. The online store is an in-memory cache, holding point-in-time snapshots for immediate real-time inference. Consistency is maintained by a dual write mechanism. The engineering layer sends the same feature computation to both the offline and online stores at the same time. This guarantees the model processes the exact same variables in production as it did during training. By splitting the storage while unifying the logic, the architecture removes the root cause of skew. The next challenge is scale. The system must serve these features to a live environment with millions of concurrent users. In Layer 5, training data serving, historical features from the offline store are joined with outcome labels to build the initial model. Layer 6, online serving, operates under a strict 50 millisecond latency budget for each real-time prediction. Of those 50 milliseconds, 5 are for computation, most for network overhead, leaving exactly 1 millisecond to fetch features. To hit this target, we use 3-tier caching: hot features in RAM, warm features on a timer, and cold features computed on demand. Layer 7, model inference, is where the trained model and these low-latency features unite to generate the final prediction. At this scale, machine learning data serving is a microsecond optimized caching operation. Even with consistent data, an enterprise using thousands of features is still vulnerable to human error and undocumented code changes. Layer 4, the feature registry, provides a single source of truth for every engineering team. By enforcing semantic versioning, the registry ensures that any update to a feature's code creates a new version, rather than overwriting an existing dependency. This turns engineering knowledge into systemic rules, preventing updates from accidentally degrading older models. This graph represents feature lineage, the map of which models depend on which specific data features. Lineage allows engineers to calculate the downstream blast radius of a data outage before a change is committed. Without a feature store, deploying a single new model safely can take up to 6 months of custom pipeline engineering. With a registry of pre-computed, production-ready features, that time to market is compressed to 2 weeks. A feature store absorbs the technical complexity of scale, allowing ML engineers to focus on the intelligence of their models rather than the plumbing of their data.